Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make popcorn. You put half cup of oil in a dried pot and add your 1 cup of corn kernel and give it a stir. You can use your non-stick pan or your normal pot, but you be careful while using the normal pot because it can stick to the bottom. Then you go ahead and add in half cup of sugar and give it a stir and allow it to get hot. And when you see that it's beginning to pop, you see like 1 or 2 beginning to pop, then you can now go ahead and cover it and let it continue popping. You know, popcorn is a very interesting snack to take, and you can have it anytime. You can have it with your guests, you can have it with your children, you can have it at fun times, and most especially while lounging. So this is it, guys. Then you cover it with pop. You can get it from the shop, they sell baking items. And this is it, guys. It's beginning to pop, and you can see from the lid of the pot the whole process and what's going on inside. So while you are using the pot that is non-stick, you just use a towel to hold the 2 handle of the pot and give it a shake or a stir so that it doesn't stick to the bottom too much. And since I'm using non-stick, I don't need to bother about that. It doesn't stick to the pot. So this is, guys, you just keep an eye on it and let it pop until you can no longer hear any sound of pop. Then you know it's ready. It doesn't take time at all. Within 5 minutes you are done. So this is it, guys. I hope you give this a try because it's so easy to make and it's interesting. So I added the sugar at the beginning so that the sugar can marinate into the corn very well. And this is the yummy popcorn I made, and you can give this a try too and enjoy it with your family and friends. So I just want to be extra and add little powdered milk to it. It just gives it an extra taste and flavor. So this is it. Give this a try and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. So you can see the bottom of the pot, nothing sticks to it. And this is the beauty of using non-stick. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.